See, this is Rumor, and she knows several commands. She's really sweet. We think she's just over a year old. She loves her toys. Are you gonna go play with your toys? She's like, no, lady, you have the food. What a good girl. See, she's got super soft puppy fur. Get your toy. Get your toy. What a good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl. Hey, girlfriend. You want a cookie? You want a treat? No. How do we get your face? And you gotta drop the ball if you want the cookie. Hold on. Nope. She wants a cookie, or he doesn't want the cookie. Hey, pretty girl.